I got y'all right here on the 4 hour chart, and we about to get a little move up. So basically we got two options, right? Let's say the best case scenario. We'll come up here, right, hit this 100 EMA, which was around this blue line. If you see my previous videos, this was our last resistance line. Like I said, it's gonna make a super drop right after it gets there. And as y'all can see, it literally happened right there. Came down, bounced up a little bit, and then shot straight down. As I said, go watch some previous videos so you can see everything play out, so you can understand how you can read these charts. But anyways, as you can see, we're gonna come back up here and use this as a resistance, the same line that I already had right here, around 22, 7, I'll say, around the general range. Basically recovery of this candlestick. And it'll also be, around the time we get up there, it'll be a tap to this 100 EMA. So what I believe is gonna happen is we'll get rejected by the 100 EMA, right? Bounce down, and we're gonna bounce off this 50 EMA, as you can see right here, bounce off the 50 EMA, and then we always gotta test it 3 times. So boom, we're gonna test it one. Well, that'll be the first time, 2 times. Third time we could get a breakout, right? Boom, we'll come up here and max out like 23.5, come down, and we'll bounce off this for support and continue way up. That's the best case scenario. That's how it will look. But honestly, I don't believe that's gonna happen because the longer term chart still shows a downtrend. So anyways, so we inverse it. Now this is the other options that's more likely. It's two options that's probably gonna happen, and these most likely are gonna happen, but not that one I just mentioned. That's just for the upside, you guys. But anyways, on the downside, boom, we could come up. We could actually just hit this 50 EMA, recover half this candlestick, and they could just shoot the market straight down and catch everybody off guard. And our next support level is $10,000. So whenever we do make this reversal back downward, it's not going to stop until we hit $10,000 because we have no more support left. This was the last support level, and that's why you're going to get rejected by it. But anyways, like I said, we could just actually, bounce off this 50 EMA and get rejected right here around 22, 250. Boom. That's one possibility. Just keep that in mind. But most likely this was going to happen. We'll come up here and basically recover this candlestick, like I said, around 22.7. Come down, bounce off to 50. The same thing I just basically mentioned, test it 3 times. But a third time, we're going to get rejected and come straight down. Or we might break out, then get rejected and come straight down. These are the most likely options, basically. Is that we're going to come up here, get rejected around 22.7. If we break through, we'll get rejected at 23.5. And we're going straight down to $10,000. So this is the 4 hourly chart. Y'all can see how that goes. And on a daily, as y'all can see, basically it'll actually be up here to a tap to, like I said, the 50 EMA on the daily. Or it could be a tap to the 20 EMA on the daily. Let me take this drawing off so y'all can see. Alright, so boom, as y'all can see, we made the drop down, and we basically recover at least half this candlestick. So like I said, right here around 22,250. Well, I'm gonna say 22,300, right? Or like I say, the next level up, 23.5, and then rejection. And like I told y'all before, like look, there's no more support. We already tapped this 3 times, and also you see how the way this is a tap. This is basically 1 time. 2 times. Once we come up here, this will be the 3rd time on the daily to the support level, which is around 20,500. So that's when we're gonna see our next large candlestick is at 20,500 because it's gonna push through really hard. It's gonna push through this area, which is our support that you can see bouncing off from, and it's gonna smash through this previous support. It has to smash through because it already been tapped 3 times. And on a weekly edge, y'all can see we came up here and we basically, we already tapped this 20 EMA, so we might just come up, like I said, we may not even come back all the way up here, honestly, you know what I mean? We might just come and recover half this candlestick and then reverse the markets, continue on down because it don't look too good, in the long term. Let me put my drawings back on. As y'all can see, the next support level right here is $10,000, where this large head and shoulder started from. Like, it always comes down, like just following what it's supposed to do. Because I've been at this chart for a while, if y'all could just check my last few videos out. So, boom. Like I say, come down here, 10,000, we'll get a bounce back up. Around 14,000, get rejected. and we come all the way down to $5,500, and then we'll get a sharp reversal back up to 14. And you could just see this throughout the whole chart, how we get all these numbers basically, because everything played out just as I said it would, because it's textbook. I mean, once you learn how to read the charts, I mean, nothing will really surprise you, because you'll just be able to see it. But yep, we're going straight down. So that's what that weekly looking like. See the daily, the possible bounce out, but anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grow, y'all make it your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.